Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have reportedly flew on Tyler Perry's $150 million private jet to move into his $18 million Beverly Hills mega mansion. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex secretly left their home on Canada's Vancouver Island on an early morning in March, according to the Daily Mail. Insiders told the news outlet it was a well-planned operation that appears to have worked perfectly, allowing the couple to avoid any type of wait at customs. An Embraer E190, a jet belonging to Hollywood star Tyler Perry, reportedly left its base outside Atlanta, Georgia, on March 24 at 1:35 a.m. to pick up Meghan, Harry, and their one-year-old boy Archie. The plane, which can reportedly carry up to 124 people, stopped at an airport in Portland, Oregon, approximately 5 hours later, before heading to Victoria International Airport, where it reportedly picked up the former royals at 7:35 a.m. Meghan, Harry, and Archie were then flown to Portland's Hillsborough Airport, before making their way to Bob Hope Airport in Burbank by 10:01 a.m. The flight details are hidden on the website OpenSky, which gives all times in Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, according to the Daily Mail. The couple are said to have been residing at the 8-bedroom Tuscan-style home of Perry, a close pal of Oprah Winfrey, since March. They had been staying in a remote mansion, owned by a mystery billionaire, in Canada while they discussed the terms of their Megxit deal. Then, after quitting the royal family, Meghan, 38, and Harry, 35, moved to California and into 50-year-old Perry's luxurious hideout, set on 14 acres of land. It is unknown whether the couple are renting or staying there as guests, but there is no record of the mansion having been sold. Meghan and Harry have been extremely cautious to keep their base in LA under wraps, a source told the Daily Mail. The source added, their team helped them choose the location for their transition to Los Angeles wisely. Beverly Ridge has its own guarded gate, and Tyler's property has a gate of its own, which is watched by their security team. Harry and Meghan are said to have found the place with the help of megastar Oprah, who is the godmother to Perry's 5-year-old son Amon. American actor and producer Perry is estimated to be worth about $600 million, and last month gave restaurant staff in Atlanta $21,000 in tips while getting a takeout. Perry custom-built the 24,000-square-foot mansion from scratch after buying the 22 acres it sits on for just $4 million in 2004. It is also not known whether Perry has met the royals, but he expressed sympathy for Meghan after she told ITV News presenter Tom Bradby she was struggling in the spotlight. He said, "Remember when Meghan Markle did that interview? She said, 'Thanks for asking if I'm okay.' Because no one ever asks me that. I felt her when she said that." Meanwhile, baby Archie turned 1 this week, and Meghan celebrated by uploaded a sweet video of her reading to him. The children's book she was holding had a cover which fans speculated proved it was a gift from Oprah. The young royal sported a full head of hair and several new teeth in the video, which is thought to have been recorded in the California mansion where Meghan and Harry are now living.